How to create a landing page for real estate. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to create a real estate landing page, where this is a great way to showcase properties and highlight the features, amenities, and benefits of a property. This is important by including high quality photos, detailed description, and virtual tours. And this can also help the visitors and the buyers to visualize themselves living in the properties that the real estate agents are promoting. So, for example, here, the main platform that we'll be using for creating our own landing page would be Canva. So you can actually use Canva for free, and you also have an option as well to go to do Canva Pro as well, where it has no limitations on what projects and what designs you will be using. So here you can see, for us to begin with, we'll start with a blank page. What I chose here is a website format where you can just type it in and search. So what we can do first here is to choose a background, or we can actually make use of the templates that are being provided by Canva here. So you can either search or choose, or you can even download your own photos as well. So since this is just for an example, so we'll do a sample landing page for real estate. So what I'll be choosing here, or I'll be creating a moving background to make it more um, trendy. So here I'll be looking for a house, and then instead of photos, I'll be switching to videos, and I'll be choosing this video right here. So I'll be changing the opacity to have it grayed out a little. And for the playback, I will click on or toggle on for loop forever so that it will keep on moving and it will not be just for one play. So what's next that we'll do here is to add a text. So you can add the slogan of your real estate company, or you can just have a quote here. So what I had here is imagine your dream and let us make it a reality. So there are some informations here on the text that we have that we can delete and just leave the important text box that you can make use of. So once you're done with the first page, you can go ahead and proceed on the second page by clicking on add a page at the bottom of the screen. So what I'm achieving here is like an industrial aesthetic for the design. So I'll be searching under elements a concrete photo for the background. And we will be adding this as well, a buyer's guide on what they can consider before they will buy a house. So what I did is click on share and then click on more. And then what they will need to do is to click on share link, and then we can copy the link, and then when we paste it to the website that we are currently building, it will automatically pop up here. So the next thing that we'll do here is we'll add a text where this will inform on how our visitors will reach us, and I'll be adding a logo as well. Just for an example, let's say this is the logo of the company, so I'll just lay it out here, just adjusting that it will look great together. Okay. Once you're done with that, I will leave a um, shape here where I would like to embed a link on it. So, for example, the message that I will input will be message us. message us now for them to reach us and communicate on their preferences, or if they want to book a consultation with us, they are very free to do so. So I'm just in a process here, just loading. So once you have the shape that you like, you can go ahead and type in the word or the short text that you want to put into the shape, so that the visitors will be able to know on what they will be, or this is just a way for them to be instructed on what they need to do. So for example, I'll click on the shape, and then we click on the three dots option, and then just click on a link, and then you just need to paste the link from there, and then it will notify you that the link has been added here. So I'll be adding as well the contact information like email, Instagram, Facebook, and also a contact information that they can reach us with, our phone number. So what I'll do here is I'll be resizing this, and I'll be laying it out on this page just to make sure that they all fit. So what I'll be doing here, or what I'm trying to achieve, is that when our visitors or our clients will be clicking on these icons, they will automatically be redirected to the page, or they will automatically be redirected to sending us an email and the like. So just the same process as the message us now that we have added earlier, where if the person or the visitor will click that, they will be routed to a messaging platform. For example, you can have a link for your Viber or WhatsApp for them to contact or chat with you. So another here, so you just fill it out with all the icons that you want. Or this will be the page or the area where the phone number will be placed. Here, so we'll just type in a phone number. Then once you're done, what you need to do is here on this icon, for example, email. When you click on the icon, there will be three dots option, and then click on embed link, and then you just need to type in your email address directly. And then for Instagram, you can just do the same thing. Once all of these icons have been embedded with a link, you can go ahead and click on preview on the upper part of the screen. And there you will be able to see on maybe there is something that you want to change or update on how it looks like here. So you can click on message as now. And as you can see, it will route the visitor to Messenger. And then for the email, it will route the customer to email. And then the phone number and Facebook, the same thing will be happening. So once you're done, you can also click on the mobile view, and this will what the visitors will see once they will open the website using their mobile phone. So once we are satisfied with the website that we are creating or the web page, we can go ahead and publish the website. So when we click on publish, we can select a domain. So there are domains that you need to purchase, and there are domains that are free. So what I'll be using here are just a free domain. And if you do have existing domains, you can actually make use of it as well. So I'll just using free domain for now, and then I'll click on continue. And then you will type in your subdomain here. So this will be a unique word that it should not be identical with the other um, websites as well here. So just edit it here. See if you have the same information or if the word that you'll be using is common, it will not allow you to go through. So here I just added a few numbers. And then you can actually enable a password for protection, and you can also hide the website from search engines. So this will secure your website that only your potential customers will be able to open your website. So once done, you can just click on proceed, and then they will now process your website. And you can see here that we have successfully created the website. You can copy the link as well as the password, and then we'll try to open the website here or view the website. Okay. When you open the website, you just need to enter the password and then verify or confirm that you are not a robot by entering these informations here. And then just click on continue, and there you have it. You now have your own website landing page for your real estate. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.